Good afternoon, everybody. We are Thursday afternoon here at AAPEX 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with Dustin Pedley, the global head of bproauto, and I love the fact that you took the time to meet with me today. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
So listen, I understand bproauto is fairly new to this industry. You're still in its infancy, only a couple years in the market. What's new? What's going on with your portfolio?
Yeah, so as you said, we've only been in, from a commercial launch perspective, a little over 2 years. It was 2 years back in August. So really, as you can imagine, we've been busy launching the new products, right? So you kind of start with the easy ones, your braking, your filtrations, your wipers, your things like that. So this last year, we've kind of been morphing into more of the under hood categories. So you got your rotating electrical, your AC, your HVAC systems, and things like that now.
Excellent. And what direction is this portfolio headed for, like 2026? What do you have up and coming?
Yeah, really what we're kind of gravitating towards is trying to be that kind of all-mix solution for all of your general light repair and commodities and maintenance commodities. So we really want to be kind of a one-stop shop for all of our installer needs.
I love that. Now here's the home run question. What makes bproauto stand out from the other manufacturers?
That's a great question, because as you can see, you go to AAPEX and there's thousands of suppliers here, right?
My point exactly.
The good thing about bproauto is that we are part of the Stellantis umbrella of companies. So we have the full backing of Stellantis globally, as well as the Mopar on the OE side. So we can leverage those relationships, that engineering, that technology, that data to kind of really drive a next level aftermarket parts program into the aftermarket.
So availability, fit and finish functionality, that's all right there, just like the OEs.
And it's
That's beautiful.
The same people that are validating our bpro parts, the same people validating our Mopar OE engineered parts as well.
Exciting stuff, Dustin. Listen, my friend, thank you for taking the time.
Anytime.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
Have a great
Thank you.
rest of the show.
You as well.
Thanks.